course International Tourism Destinations. I am Professor Sridevi Kulenur, your course coordinator. This course introduces the concept of tourism geography, which is the study of tourism destinations around the world as both an industry and a social and cultural activity. It examines geographical factors, climatic conditions, transportation systems, and major tourist attractions that influence tourism development. The course also explores the interaction between physical and human environments and how these shape tourism patterns and destinations. Key themes include location, place, cultural characteristics, and the movement of tourists between countries. Special attention is given to tourism flows and the economic and political factors that influence them. The course covers tourism destinations in Europe, Africa, Gulf countries, Australia, North and South America, Southeast Asia, and world time zones. Students will gain knowledge of major attractions and tourism resources, preparing them for careers in travel agencies, tour operations, travel insurance, travel consultancy, and related fields. Duration of this course would be for 12 weeks with 4 credits. Thank you and wish you all the best.